Hello, my lovely student. See, this question has been asked in JEE Mains 2024. In which of the following pair the central atom 6-bit sp2 hybridization? So, to calculate hybridization, we have to first of all calculate the hybridized orbital. If hybridized orbital is 2, then its hybridization is sp. If hybridized orbital is 3, then its hybridization is sp2. If hybridized orbital is 4, then its hybridization is sp3 या dsp2. If hybridized orbital is 5, then its hybridization is sp3d or dsp3. If hybridized orbital is 6, then its hybridization is sp3d2 or d2sp3. So first of all, you have to calculate hybridized orbital. So we have given different types of molecule, or we can say compound, that is NH2 minus H2O or BF3 and NO2 minus. So first of all, NH2 minus, its hybridized orbital equals to, basically hybridized orbital बराबर होता है आपका number of bond pair plus number of lone pair. Then nitrogen having 2 bond pair with the hydrogen, so having 2 bond pair plus lone pair. अब जो नाइट्रोजन होता है उसके पास 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, 5 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहें कि या आउटर मोस्ट शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन 5 होता है. अब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आपका बॉन्ड बना लिया तो इसके पास 3 बॉन्ड गया, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन बचा, 3 और 1 माइनस 4, तो 3 1 हो गया 4. So 4 electrons, so the lone pair is 2, so hybridized orbital is 4, so its hybridization is sp3. See over here. Now H2O, see, basically the structure of H2O is this type, HH, and having 2 lone pair. So oxygen having 2 bond pair plus 2 lone pair 4, so its hybridization is also sp3. Now BF3, boron having 3 outermost shell electron, your valence electron, and that valence electron bonded made bond with the fluorine, so its having bond pair is 3, lone pair is 0, so its hybridization is sp2 because its hybrid orbital is 3. Now NO2 minus, basically nitrogen having double bond with oxygen and single bond with one oxygen, and no any charge on the nitrogen having only one lone pair, so its hybrid orbital is 2 bond pair plus 1 lone pair, so its hybrid orbital is 3, so its hybridization is sp2. So BF3 and NO2 minus having sp2 hybridization, so our answer is D, BF3 and NO2 minus. So if you want to see full lecture, then subscribe my channel. Fundamental study classes 1 and 2 must be share.